Alrighty, so continuing on, we're able to see that our price is fluctuating a little bit. I did want to show you guys how we can do stop losses. And the way stop losses work is when you hit what's called a stop price, the system will automatically create a limit for you to sell out of the position. So you may be at work, you may not be able to look at your position all the time. Maybe you want to just cover up to a certain loss. And actually right now my signals don't show what's called a max drawdown. That's something that I'm going to be adding in as well. And what the max drawdown is going to do is it's going to let you know how far the stock will go down before we get into eventual profit. So, max drawdown might say 5%. And what that's saying is the stock may go down 5% before it moves into profit. Now, that could be quite detrimental to our options, of course, depending on expiration and how quickly it bounces back. So that's something I definitely want to provide to you guys so you guys know going into it what you should expect with potential losses or max drawdowns. So for us, let's say on this position, we wanted to make sure that we didn't lose more than 25% of our option price. We could actually do the little calculation and see, okay, what's a 25% decrease? It would be about 22, 23. And so I can actually set my stop price at 22. When it hits 22, we'll actually have a limit going to sell all of our contracts at 22. Now, this might not execute because it might hit 22 and it might go lower. So, or conversely, it might, jump up after hitting that stop price. So, want to absolutely sell at that. Probably would want to choose a stop price of 0.23 and then a limit price at 0.22. That's how you would make sure that that limit would go through at 0.22. So if we want to check where our order is or we want to cancel it, we can actually see all our orders, our pending orders on the home page, and you can see the replace order or cancel. We can actually go into our history as well to click on it, and we'll be able to see the same thing. So while we have this position, you can see since we already have a pending order going through, we can't put in another one. You have to cancel an order if you want to put in another one. See now if we wanted to sell at 0.31. Now we're able to do it because we canceled that initial stop loss order.